From the mental health benefits of reduced stress, anxiety, and depression, to the physical health benefits of improved mobility, strength, and balance, yoga has proven to help enhance the lives of people for thousands of years. Yoga mats are an incredibly versatile piece of fitness equipment and an integral part of many home workout routines. Whether you're going to a local studio or practicing at home, having a quality yoga mat that provides the right amount of grip and support is critically important. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 8 best yoga mats to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 8. Amazon Basics Yoga Mat. If you plan to use a yoga mat for more than just yoga, this one's extra thick and has the best cushioning for activities where you'll be on your back, like stretching, or if you have joint sensitivity. It's made with foam, making it the lightest mat in our test. The 0.5-inch thickness was just right for that extra cushion and comfort. Not only that, but it's super versatile, so you can use it for lots of different kinds of workouts, not just yoga. The mat also felt durable enough for intense workouts, and its lightweight foam material made it super easy to roll up and tie in place for commuting to and from class. Number 7. CAMBIVO Yoga Mat. This extra-large workout mat is ideal for anyone who needs a lot of workout space. If you have a large open space to lay your mat or want to have space for multiple people to work out at once, then this mat is for you. Not only is it large, the mat delivers on thickness, with a 1/4 inch of padding that protects against injuries and feels soft underfoot. Considering its spec, it's no surprise that the mat weighs in on the heavier side, but a carry strap is included that helps with portability. Made from durable, tear-resistant material, this mat is ideal for everyday use and can be used for more than just yoga. Lay this mat down for at-home workouts or as a playmat for children. With an 8mm thickness, this mat offers great shock absorbance for exercise and yoga. The slip-free design also makes this mat easy to use and safe for intense and sweaty workouts. Number 6. Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. The Gaiam Premium Reversible Lunar Wave is the perfect fit for those on the hunt for a superior grip. Made from PVC, the two-sided mat has a sticky, textured surface with tremendous non-slip grip during transitions, even when forehead dew sets in. Plus, it remains glued to the ground when dialing up the intensity. On the design front, the lunar print alone may sway you toward the checkout, and for the price, it feels more luxurious than expected. At just over 3 pounds, it's simple to fold as the material sturdiness helps keep its shape while rolling, while the texture helps it stick to itself. Carrying it is a cinch, even without a wrap or handle, and it pops nicely into a tote bag. At 6mm thick, it provides ample cushioning and comfort for most workouts. Number 5. Liforme Original Yoga Mat. Perfect for both beginners and more advanced yogis. Featuring a one-of-a-kind alignment system that has received the name Align For Me, it allows everyone to learn and perfect their yoga poses. There's no slipping or not enough space to practice scenarios where you are running the risk of harming yourself. Intentionally placing your hands and feet on all the right spots is precisely what draws every active lifestyle practitioner in. The rubber mat has a smooth polyurethane top layer that allows for a good grip whether you're sweaty or not. The mat is very easy to clean, thanks to its smooth surface that was easy to wipe down. Liforme made it their priority to make their original yoga mat wide and long enough so that no one would feel left out. This is great news. No matter whether you prefer going to the yoga studio or refining your poses at home, you are guaranteed to get the most out of your mat. Number 4. IUGA Pro Yoga Mat. While most mats made from natural rubber can be heavy, IUGA's Pro non-slip yoga mat weighs in at a relatively light and comfortable to carry 2.2 pounds. We also love that it comes with a carrying strap for trips to and from the studio or gym. The 5mm thick IUGA has the distinction of being one of the grippiest mats from our test. This mat also excelled during our sweat test, making it a great pick for anyone who regularly practices hot yoga. It's also worth noting that this mat is odorless, but the rubbery smell was evident when we were laying on the mat during child's pose. Number 3. JadeYoga Harmony Yoga Mat. Are you planning on doing a lot of hot and sweaty yoga sessions in the near future? Then you know that you need a mat with a strong grip. The type of grip that will hold you well no matter how damp it gets on the mat. JadeYoga took this demand into consideration and came out with a yoga mat named Harmony to meet your specific needs. The company created a gear that absorbs your dripping sweat and, therefore, remains dry throughout the entire hot yoga session. You won't even need to use a towel to layer it on top of your mat for protection against slippage. That's how non-slip this mat is. It is made from sustainable rubber received from the trees and doesn't contain any harmful toxins. Besides, whenever someone purchases this mat, JadeYoga plants a tree. So it turns out that you're not only paying for a highly qualitative and long-lasting mat, but also for the conservation of our environment. That's quite cool. Number 2. Guru's Sweatproof Cork Yoga Mat. Guru's Sweatproof Yoga Mat is made of natural cork on its top and tree rubber on its bottom, which provides good cushioning and dependable grip without having any toxic ingredients. The cork material has a unique and natural appearance, and with 2 different materials, this mat offers both versatility and comfort. The cork side is waterproof and antimicrobial, while the other side is made from natural rubber and offers additional grip and an open cell design. This sustainable yoga mat brand gives back to the planet by planting trees for every mat sold. Additionally, its grip becomes better in a damp environment, but it also prevents the absorption of excessive moisture. Moreover, the minimalist and natural design of this cork mat immediately brings peace and concentration to your yoga as you look at it. It is a 72 by 25 inch 4 mm thick yoga mat that is also lightweight and durable, so you do not need to invest in another mat for years. You can even ensure that your old mat is disposed of in a sustainable way, at no cost to you, by sending it back for free once you're finished using it. Guru's Cork Yoga Mat comes at a slightly higher price point, but it offers sustainability without compromising comfort. Number 1. Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. If you can afford it, this is one of the best yoga mats out there. Luxuriously thick for a comfortable practice, the mat comes with a lifetime guarantee, so if it begins to wear away, you can swap it for a new one. Manduka is one of the top brands known to manufacture high-quality and durable yoga mats. Its multi-purpose Pro Yoga Mat is the #1 choice for many yoga therapists and fitness trainers. The mat dimensions are 71 by 26 by 0.4 inches, making this extra long mat perfect to be used on a wooden or tiled floor. It is a handmade mat made of emission-free, latex-free, Oecotec certified PVC, ensuring its durability. This ultra-thick mat with a non-slip textured top layer provides stability, protection, good grip, and comfort while doing yoga. Yoga mats vary in design, style, cost, and materials, so we recommend doing some homework before parting with your cash. Some prefer a thicker mat during slower-paced practices, whereas thinner mats help you connect with the ground better for shoulder balances and inversions. Whichever yoga mat you invest in, level up your practice using this accessory. And whether you're hitting your inversion practice hard or simply improving flexibility and mobility, the best yoga mats could be perfect. However, getting the best yoga mats is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.